Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn the double crochet. So as I've said before, there are different terms in America and in the UK. The double crochet is the American term. In the UK this is called a treble crochet. So first I'm going to do a quick slip knot and a row of chain stitches just to get us started and to have something to work into. So if you do the same, then we can carry on with the double crochet stitch. So as before, I'm going to do 11 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we are going to start our double crochet. So because the stitch is taller, we are actually going to work into the third chain from the loops from the hook. So with a single crochet we went into this one, the second chain, but with the double crochet we're going to go into this stitch. But before we go into it, we're going to do a yarn over. So we yarn over and then we go into that third chain, then we yarn over again and pull through. So you see we've got 3 loops on our hook. You yarn over and you pull through 2 of them only, and then you've got 2, and you yarn over and you pull through 2 more, and there you see you have your first double crochet. So let's do that again. We wrap our yarn around our hook, also called yarn over. We insert into the next chain. We wrap our yarn around our hook again and we pull through that 1 stitch. So we've got 3 loops on our hook, and we wrap and go through 2 of them. Then we wrap again and pull through 2 more. There we go. Yarn over, insert into the hook, yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you see the stitch is so much taller than the single crochet stitch. Yeah, I'm just going to carry on. If you're struggling to remember all the steps, just watch the video over again or put it in slow motion. And you see, as you practice, you'll get much quicker at it, as with anything. Shall I walk you through it one more time? Okay. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm nearly at the end of the row now. I'm going to do one more row to show you the difference on the second row, okay? Just like I did before. Right. And there we go. You see we've got our double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we've got those 2 chains on the end. You see they curve round. So we're not going to count those as a stitch, but you can do. So when we turn our work over, and we're going to chain 3. Okay, and that chain 3 counts as a stitch. So that counts as a double crochet. So we're not going to go into this first chain because the chain 3 counts as that first stitch, okay? We're going to go into this second stitch here. And we're going to do our double crochet, remember, yarn over, and then we're going underneath those two loops of the row below. So yarn over, insert into those 2 loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you see it's getting a lot taller a lot quicker with a double crochet than it did with the single crochet. We just get to the end of the row, and then I want to show you what it looks like. Also uses a lot more yarn. Mine keeps getting tangled up. So we've got to the end. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th stitch. This is the 3 chains that we did before. So when we're going back along, we need to make sure that our final double crochet of the 3rd row goes into the top of the chain, okay? So I'll just do it to show you. So we do these 3 chains to start, which count as a double crochet, and then we're not going into that first one, we're going into the second one because the 3 chains are already that first stitch. Okay. Just remember, if you make a mistake, you can just undo the stitch and redo it. Right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we need to do the 9th one into the top of the chain. So it's a bit fiddly going in the top of the chain. You have to kind of twist it around to find those top 2 loops, okay? And then you'll probably want to, depending how tightly or loosely you did your chain, it might be a fiddle to get through both of them. But just use your finger, like I'm doing, to wiggle through, okay? So it should look like that. And then you yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so I want you to have a practice doing the double crochet. As I said, in the UK it's called a treble crochet. And I want you to do 11 chain stitches along the bottom. Then you do a double crochet into the 3rd loop from your hook and all the way along. So then you should have 9. This 2 at the start, that doesn't count as a stitch. Okay, and then you're going to chain 3, turn around and go back the other way, making sure you stick to 9 every time, okay? The chain 3, that counts as a stitch, okay?